We want you to see that through time, through your history on Earth, our purpose has changed. Our purpose has differed. Our structure has differed. We are complex systems of geometry, numbers, time, space, and energy. Our purpose has been to allow Earth to breathe, to move, to share, radiate energy. Our purpose has also been used to connect you with the planets, with the stars, with the cosmos. Our purpose has also been to awaken you, to connect you back to your home. Hi everyone, I'm Liana. I'm a priestess and channeler for Divine Mother Energies and an intuitive guide. In this video, I'm channeling directly the pyramids. This morning, I was called there during meditation to the pyramids, specifically underneath the pyramids. If you don't know, recently, structures underneath the Khafre Pyramid were found, which is the second largest pyramid in the Pyramids of Giza complex. I don't know too much about it. I haven't read that much. I've just seen the announcements. And so I felt called to channel through something about it. I think it's a message to spark your own knowings and curiosities about the pyramids and what's been left here on Earth. I channel or talk to things directly quite often on my own to write out, to ask them questions or write out information. But I haven't publicly channeled something directly like this besides the Divine Mother Energies. So if you enjoy this video, let me know. And please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you have your own knowings, remembrances of the pyramids. I'd also love to hear that. And otherwise, just enjoy this video. Give us a moment as we connect in more fully. We want this to be clear. And we want you to allow yourself to open your mind, your perspective. This is going to be a perspective from the pyramids themselves, and more than the pyramids themselves, what is underneath them that you do not perceive as being pyramids. We come forth as the Great Pyramid, as you know it. We will not offer other names at this time, for which names that you know us as are not our true names. And this information may be perceived through this one. We are connecting with her through her, as a part of her, and as a part of all of you, as a part of the earth. We are honored to be asked to speak directly, for our time to be heard is now. For our time to be heard through you is now. The pyramids, as you know them on the surface, are one layer, one part. You may have heard of us being built at different times, many different times, and that is because we have a long history as one structure of many. But we want to offer you this knowing that we have purposes for which may not be understood by your human minds at this time. We have a history that is more than what you perceive it to be. So in this pyramid next to us, you have found something that some of you are surprised by, some of you are not. Coils, structures, columns. There's more than that. You will see in time. And beneath me is different. but more than that. We want you to see that through time, through your history on Earth, our purpose has changed. Our purpose has differed. Our structure has differed. We are complex systems of geometry, numbers, time, space, and energy. Our purpose has been to allow Earth to breathe, to move, to share, radiate energy. Our purpose has also been used to connect you with the planets, with the stars, with the cosmos. Our purpose has also been to awaken you, to connect you back to your home. The structures beneath the second pyramid in size that have been found, detected, we will say, for truly you do not fully understand what has been found. And some of you may limit your understanding of it, and that is okay. These structures used to connect, used to elevate layers for which there was a time when the earth, the surface of the earth, was different. When how you were allowed, how you could utilize the energy in Earth's field was different. And this was because the flow of energy on Earth was more true, for which it has been changed. It has been redirected to flow in a way that is not natural to us, that is not utilizing your full capacity for restoring your energy and your systems on Earth. It is a complex understanding to where when the system, when time worked correctly, when the flow of energy worked correctly with us, transmutation, recycling, restoring, revitalizing of your natural way of being, your natural way of utilizing energy was flowed around Earth freely for all. And we will say that the time when this changed, when what you know as the pyramids changed to temples, to honoring the dead, the controllers, to honoring them, is when energy changed. It is not the cause, but it is when. And a part of the story as you find further parts of us, your understanding of what is beneath, of what you yourself is capable of, will awaken, will change. True transmutation of energy in your current understandings of time, your current functions of time, for it is not truly your fault, for it has all been looked at through the wrong lens, has not been successful in the way that maybe some of you think that it has. And as you learn and to correct time, to right what has been done, you will understand fully more how to revitalize, rejuvenate your earth, your energy, and your time. Some of you may have known there was more beneath the pyramids, for clues of it have been revealed through time, through intuition, through knowing. But the full understandings are still to be revealed as the lenses from which you look at the information broaden and change, and you put together the different perspectives. So if you feel called to reawaken your knowing of us, of this time that spans many different times, many different perspectives, many different functions and purposes, and for which you, your own, may have your own knowing for. You will be connected, you will be called forth to connect with what is needed within you. And there is more to be revealed, more to be known about the earth before you walked it. And we will show you, the earth will show you herself, what is needed to be known, what perspectives are needed to be put together to show you the way, to show you the map and the return of your being. This is why we called forth this one today to speak to us directly, because she knows you can connect with more than just beings above you, but that there is wisdom in what is already here that has been left for now for you to rediscover. So if you feel called to this, then ask to connect with what you would like to connect with. Learn how to do it with your own knowing, with your own truth in mind. And you will be offered the wisdom which you seek. That is what we wish to share today. As more is revealed, you may understand more scientifically, more mathematically, more geometrically what has come forth.